सलमान के होस्ट किए गए रियलिटी शो में ड्रामा बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। While on one hand, old contestants Siddharth Shukla, Hina Khan and Gauhar Khan are grabbing all the eyeballs with their chemistry and seem to be having a blast, वहीं इस साल के नए कंटेस्टेंट्स एक दूसरे को इमोशनली मैनिपुलेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। केस इन पॉइंट पवित्र पुनिया, who claims कि एजाज खान को देख के उनके दिल में कुछ होता है।
Films के साथ साथ television shoots had also come to a standstill due to the pandemic and the lockdown that followed. But now, after several months and multiple safety precautions, a famous reality show hosted by Salman is back on air, which usually has celebrities locked in one house for several months. Notorious for its fights, sensational jhagades which usually end up in cheekna chillana or hatapai, the show also has a record of celebrities falling in love with each other after spending so much time together. This year also there is a lot of drama going on, and if the drama in the last 2 weeks is anything to go by, इस बार भी प्यार और तकरार दोनों जम के होगा।
The popular reality show format, which is now in its 14th season, has several interesting celebs in lockdown with no connection to the outside world. इनको अलग टास्क्स दिए जा रहे हैं, इन्हें घर के काम संभालना पड़ रहा है, and looks like in just 2 weeks their nerves are frayed and the तनाव is building. लेकिन टेंशन और तनाव सिर्फ न्यूकमर्स को महसूस हो रहा है। सिद्धार्थ, हीना एंड गौहर, जो इस खेल में मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी हैं, अपने शॉर्ट स्टिंट का पूरा मजा ले रहे हैं and seem to be having a blast together. कभी वो एक दूसरे को हेड मसाज देते हैं, तो कभी चाय कॉफी के बहाने फ्लर्ट करने के मौके ढूंढते हैं। The three seniors have hit it off from day one and looks like all the audience reactions they are getting might extend their stay in the house. The latest episode saw Hina Khan pull Siddharth's leg when he was put in charge of selling green grass. हीना ने सिद्धार्थ को चिढ़ाते हुए कहा कि पिछले साल के विनर होते हुए भी वो इस साल घास बेच रहे हैं। But while the three seniors are enjoying their time in the house, it looks like Pavitra Punya's attempts to get closer to Ejaz Khan are making him quite uncomfortable. Pavitra has been spotted trying to cozy up to Ejaz several times, and it looks Ejaz's inkar to her ikrar has left her quite heartbroken. Pavitra was overheard telling Rubina Dilak, another contestant on the show, मैंने उन तक पहुंचने की बहुत कोशिश की। प्यार का रंग दोनों तरफ से होता है, एक तरफा चीज कोई नहीं चल पाती। I felt an emotional connect with him because I see that loneliness in him somewhere. I don't want to lose him. But while Pavitra feels कि उनका और एजाज का पवित्र रिश्ता बन सकता है, fans of the show feel that she is faking these प्यार के जज्बात क्योंकि she has barely known him for 2 weeks. There were many comments on social media about Pavitra being fake, which said, like Pavitra, her love is also fake, so Pavitra should not play with the emotions of Ejaz Khan. If you can't support someone, don't even use his shoulder for your benefit. कल नॉमिनेट कर दिया और कल ही अटैचमेंट भी हो गया। Oh my God, what a fake drama face with tears of joy. इतना प्यार आ रहा था तो नॉमिनेट क्यों किया एजाज को? Please stop this fake drama. Audience aren't fool who will believe this nautanki. Read another comment. Well, all is fair in love, war and this reality show, जहां the most manipulative contestant often ends up winning the big prize.